Since the dawn of time, humans have asked one question. From the pharaohs of Egypt to medieval alchemists, immortality has always been humanity's greatest dream.
Today, science replaces myth, with genetics, nanotech, and artificial intelligence leading the charge.
Scientists have discovered that aging begins at the ends of our DNA, where time quietly unravels our code.
Nature already holds the secret. Creatures that heal, regrow, and renew endlessly.
Cryonics freezes bodies at death, hoping future science will bring them back.
Some dream of uploading consciousness, turning the human mind into digital eternity.
But when machines think like gods, will humanity still remain human?
If we never die, do we lose what makes life precious?
Immortality may never be found in the body, but in the stories we leave behind.